Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the dispatch task based on project role in Odoo 19 project module. So to manage with this, we can just dive into the project module, and from the configuration, we can find the project template. So here you would be able to find all the created project template. Now let's create a new template. Upon clicking on new here, you can find the template, and let's provide the name of the template. So let's say it's office party. And once it's been set over here, if you want to just set this as favorite, you can also just do so. And here you can see that we can set the name of the task. Send invitation is the name of the task. And here let's provide some tags. Let's say um like here you would be able to find the architecture. Then let's use the other one as design and construction, and let's make it visible to every company. And here you can see the project manager is Michelle admin, and if you want to set any allocated time for this project template, you can also just do so. So once everything is set, you can save the changes that you have made, and here you can see we can just send the invitation. And let's create the stage over here. Let's say new, and upon clicking on the tick over here, you can see the stage will be created. And let me uh, create the other one as sent. And yeah, well, everything is set. Now, if you want to create any new task over here, you can just set the title. So let's set the title as sent invitation. We can also set the assignees over here. Let's set the assignees, and afterwards, yeah, let's add them. And if you want to make any further changes, you can just choose the edit button. This would allow you to edit. And here you can see that we can assign the project role over here. Like we can set the role as tester, developer, and manager, as well as let's set another one as designer. Okay, so let me create that. So once everything is set, you can save the changes that you have made, and currently it is in the state new over here. So as you just move on to the office party, here you can see that we have one task under the project template office party. So once it's been created over here, now if you want to just manage with this template, you can also just do it from the project. So as you just try to create a new project, you can simply use the template from here. So upon clicking on new here, you can see that we have the project template, and you can choose the created template over here. So here you can see that create a project from the template office party, and let's set the project name as office party itself. And here you can set the plan date. So let me set the plan date from August 20, uh, 5th to 6th of September. And here you can see that we can create the task by sending an email to a particular mail over here. So as we haven't configured any incoming mail, we cannot set that right now. So if you want to just create a task by sending email, you just need to configure the incoming mail server. And here you can see the project role. Now let me say that if I just want to assign any particular person over here, like I can assign that. And again, let's set everything as Michelle admin itself. And let's click on create, and here you can see that we'll be dispatching the task based on project role. And here you can see everything. So currently we have just done with that, and if you want to just make any further addition in the assigning, you can also just do it from here. So that's a new feature in Odoo 19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.